What's up, guys, and welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today we're gonna be talking about this air fryer. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit notification bell, like, and leave a comment below. And this is not gonna be your typical review. No, because we're gonna be popping a bag of popcorn and a whole bunch of other stuff in this air fryer to see how many uses can we get outside the stuff already on there. So let's hope I don't burn down the house. Guys, yes, you heard me right. We're gonna do an experiment by popping a bag of popcorn like this inside the air fryer. But before we do that, this air fryer is good and it's healthy, especially guys who love to have a healthy meal and if you want more flavor in your food. Because air fryer, you can sit there and use it for chicken, bacon, aka I love turkey bacon. You can sit there, do shrimp and fish. You could defrost your foods in this air fryer. You can cook stuff like broccoli. You could do fries. It's just so much many things you could do with this air fryer. And I definitely always prefer air fryer, especially when cooking the chicken and stuff, versus on the stove with a whole bunch of grease trying to cook your meal, because all that grease saturates all that juicy flavor away. But guys, let's go ahead and pop this bag of popcorn, because we're gonna sit there and see how much uses can I get my air fryer without the conventional things. So the first experiment is gonna be a bag of popcorn. So just stay tuned, guys. So of course you got your popcorn, and then you're gonna go ahead and make the magic happen. All right, guys. So we're gonna choose a cool setting. So we got different settings. Like I said before, you got the meat, the chicken, the fish, the shrimp, the bacon. You got the defrost, you got the fries. But because it takes about 3 minutes to pop a bag of popcorn in the microwave, we're gonna be a little optimistic and we're gonna use the meats and stuff. You gotta excuse me, but we're gonna use a meat setting for this. So it's 400 degrees. It says 6 minutes, but we're gonna put at least maybe about 10 to 15 minutes in there. So we'll go ahead for the full 15 minutes. And then we're gonna go ahead and start it. Now, if you guys smell something a little smoky, don't just hold your breath. Just hold your breath and pretend you don't smell it and burning. But now, the great thing about it is, while this is taking place, we're gonna be prepping for our next experiment. So remember, guys, we want to get the most uses out of our air fryer. So let's see what happens. All right, guys, so we're gonna be working on our next experiment. And that's some good old s'mores, while the other experiment is popping away. So you guys know how you like to go to campfires or Boy Scouts or Girl Scouts or whatever you do, or just have a fire pit and you want some s'mores. Well, we're gonna see this air fryer can do the trick, because who don't like some good old s'mores? Because I do. So let's go ahead and get everything started. All right, guys, so now we all set up and we got this delicious looking s'more. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I can eat it right now. So we're gonna go ahead and put it inside this air fryer. And sorry for all the loud racket noise. I'm gonna be real gentle and quiet. And I just hope and pray that I don't burn nothing up. And of course, we're gonna use a meat setting. I don't know why. To me, the s'mores make me think about a stack of meat. I don't know. So let's go ahead and see what happens. The moment of truth. The moment of truth. We're gonna see. And guys, don't worry. I'm gonna speed up the recording in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so guys, everything looking pretty good. It's smelling good. Speaking of smell, the other part is burning. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be honest with you. I can hear some of the popcorn stuff, but it smells like the bag is burning. And my wife, she is so nervous. Oh, we're done actually. So we're done. So we're gonna just check out, see how this bag of popcorn looks. And it looks terrible, I bet. Can you imagine? Cause like, I kid you not, it stinks in here. And my wife doing like this, like looking at me. So it's a little terrifying. Ooh, jeez. Y'all see this? Can y'all see this in the camera? It's burning, but honestly, it kind of smells good too. I do smell the popcorn. You know. Ouch. So, I guess for you guys who want to know, can you pop popcorn inside air fryer? Probably not, but let's go open it up though. Let's see how this looks. Y'all know y'all like, oh, you about to drop it, right? It's terrible, guys. You got half a kernel with a whole bunch of grease. So, no, you cannot pop popcorn inside an air fryer. No. So, let's go back to our next experiment. So, guys, I'm gonna be honest, it stinks right now. It smells like burnt chocolate and crackers and marshmallow. It's not, it don't smell good. Wait till you see it. I can't wait to see it. Ooh, so quick lesson. Yeah. Oh. Woo. So let's see how this thing looks. Oh. Oh, golly. That's so disgusting. This thing's really bad. And guys, despite this thing really stinks, and before we move on to our third experiment, you know, my wife just suggests me do a taste test. You really want me to eat that? Ugh. Look at it, guys. Ugh, ouch. This thing is burning me. Like, you gotta be crazy. Like, can someone give me some Tums or something so I can use the gratis stuff with? I guess it's my job as a tech guy to make sure you guys get all the proper benefits and nutritious meals. So I'm going to eat this disgusting little thing. Oh, jeez. I'm just gonna use my napkin to open it up. I mean, I just hope I don't burn my tongue. Ugh. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. Sorry, guys. No go. Oh, God. Disgusting. Oh, I can't do that. All right, guys. So we're gonna be working on a third experiment, but that second experiment, I gotta give me some juice, man, because that was disgusting. That was nasty. Like, I wanted some liquor instead. So we're gonna be doing this egg. Yep. So I want to eat a boiled egg. And I just really pray this does not taste disgusting, you know. But we're gonna put an egg inside the air fryer, and then we're gonna use the same setting, probably the meat setting, or I don't know. I'm gonna probably just pick a random setting this time. And what I did was this time I put some aluminum foil inside this time, just in case we have a big mess. Just in case, so crack egg. And if I do gotta eat this, I may have to get some salt and pepper. I don't know. I'm just saying, man, because it's really disgusting. Well, we already got a preset in 350 degrees, and let's go to 380, 25 minutes. No, let's not do that one. Well, we could do the, bacon setting. Technically, like, eggs are like bacon, you know, like their mamas come from bacon. Y'all like, no, dude, bacon comes from pigs. I know. Oops. So let's go ahead and do this, and let's make the best of the situation. So we're gonna be waiting for this for 8 minutes. And let's see how this is going to turn out. I just hope and pray it doesn't turn out like the other experiment. All right, guys, so we got less than 60 seconds before we get to see our juicy boiled air fryer eggs. So I just really hope it doesn't come out disgusting. Well, it's done. All right, so moment of truth, guys. Let's see how this thing really looks. What y'all think it's gonna look? Oh gosh, it looks kind of weird. Probably from that chocolate and air fryer. All right, guys. So we're going to. Ouch! Kind of hot. So this is my meal. We're gonna do this. Ouch. We're gonna do this as simple. We're gonna use this to hold that and kind of peel it off and see how this tastes.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, so it took a little minute. That thing was hot, but I'm going to eat this. Well, probably take a bite of it. It smells all right, so I just hope and put a little salt and pepper on it just in case. You know, I don't know how many of you guys like eat boiled eggs, but I like to eat boiled eggs, but I never did inside the air fryer before. All right, guys, so I'm just kind of paranoid. If it doesn't look, I don't know. Well, don't taste bad. I really was expecting the worst. I was like, oh, this ain't no gush in my mouth, but it's actually not bad. So I guess it proves you can make a boiled egg inside the air fryer. Yeah, I'm like thinking like, yeah, you can. I mean, I don't know, kind of don't look cooked all the way. I don't know if you guys can see it on there. I can definitely see the heat coming from it. But well, I suggest doing a boiled egg inside the air fryer. Sure, why not? And guys, if you like these type of videos and stuff, let me know in the comments below. And also, if you're new to the channel or OG, you guys go ahead and subscribe, and you guys go ahead and like the video. And make sure, guys, just make sure you got any questions from me, just let me know. And like I said, this air fryer right here, I mean, it's good. The uses is good. It cooks great meals and stuff. But don't cook no bag of popcorn, and don't cook no s'more. And I'm still iffy about the boiled egg thing. But hey, try your own risk. But guys, thanks for checking me out. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.